Today it's really hot, which is nice, but my metal door is pumping a lot of heat into the garage. Which is far from ideal because I store my precious wooden lugger in the garage, and for obvious reasons, it's not a good idea to expose a wooden boat to extremes of temperature. To shield my boat from temperatures that are either too hot or too cold, and therefore prevent damaging the wood, I made a curtain out of thermowrap garage door bubble foil insulation. This works really well and prevents the garage getting too cold in winter and keeps it cool as a cucumber in summer. I could have stuck the bubble foil insulation straight onto the door, but I made a removable curtain attached to a pole so that I could easily roll it up in spring and autumn to let the sun warm the garage a little. This does mean that I have to roll the curtain up whenever I want to open the up and over door, but this only takes a minute to do. This stuff comes as a roll with sticky tape attached. This is a piece I experimented with before making the curtain. The adhesive tape is easy to expose. You can buy the bubble foil with or without self-adhesive strips and make a panel or curtain of any shape or size. This stuff works really well and it's cheap. Give it a go.